Meet Jim. He's got piles of cash, but is going nowhere fast. In fact, he's kind of backsliding if you want to know the truth. And it's not for lack of effort. He's done a pretty good job of hanging in there, but just can't seem to move forward. Like Jim, you may have moved a portion of your portfolio out of stocks, waiting for the financial markets to stabilize. Or you may be accumulating cash, waiting for the right time and place to invest. One thing is certain. If you've had money in cash in recent months, you're aware that CD and money market rates are paying well below the rate of inflation. And we know that won't help you move ahead. So, how do you begin to move forward with a focus on preserving and growing your wealth? Are fixed income securities the strategy to consider? When the financial crisis sparked a buying frenzy in fixed income, it resulted in money pouring into the bond market. This inflated bond prices, which in turn drove yields to their lowest levels in decades. Since interest payments on bonds are fixed, the higher a bond's price goes, the lower its yield. The reverse is also true. When bond prices drop, yields increase. Because bonds remain vulnerable to price swings driven by economic instability, investors have had to shift their perceptions of fixed income securities away from the old definition of stable, income-producing go-to instruments in times of uncertainty to holdings that require active management and ongoing monitoring. So, if fixed income securities alone aren't the answer, what is? As the investment markets continue to give traditional wisdom a run for its money, the answer to "what should I do now" needs to encompass both where you invest and how you approach your wealth management. Finding ways to help protect your wealth and generate the income you need today requires careful planning, access to unbiased research, and objective advice. It also requires an advisor who will listen to understand your needs, risk tolerance, and goals, and who has the knowledge, expertise, and process to put your plan into action. Only then can you move forward with a strategy customized to your needs and circumstances. A strategy designed to pursue your goals that is carefully monitored by your advisor along the way to help ensure you remain on track. Contact us today to talk about your needs and goals and to gain an understanding of how our experienced independent advisors can help you move forward with confidence toward financial independence.